Hello people, this is IronManFan147 and I thought I'd just do a little quick tutorial on how to make moving crosshairs in Blender. Now here's a thing. What you gotta do is you gotta make your character set up, parent the camera to the player. You should already know how to do that. I've already just made it, nothing moves, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new scene. I'm going to make it an empty scene and then name it HUD, as in heads up display, or you can make it all capitals. I like to make them capitals, but it doesn't really matter. You're going to add a plane. There's going to be two ways how to do this. This is going to be the first simple way. You're going to add a camera and you're going to move it up, so this is about like this in front of the camera. What you're going to do is you're going to either download a picture or make a picture, and you're going to make the background black. Say I'm doing this in Paint, in Microsoft Paint, so I gotta make this, oh Jesus, what'd I do? Okay, anyways, you're going to make these white, make lines white, and what you're gonna do is you're just gonna go like that in the middle of your screen. Now you're gonna want to make these as even as possible. I have a ruler tool and everything, but I don't really want to have to worry about that since this is just a demonstration. So there you have this, and then you're gonna save this as I'm just going to name it as cross with a bunch of S's so I know what it is. Say not to be used. Okay. But you're going to name it crosshairs or whatever you want, and then you're going to go back into Blender. Well, after you save that to your location, you're going to hit tab and you're going to split this area down here through the middle. Go into UV image editor. Go over into this screen, make sure your cursor's over in this screen. You're going to hit U and project from view bounds or reset. I'll just do reset because that's probably better. You're going to go over here in the second window to image, open, and you're going to go find wherever you saved your picture to. So, surprised I'm having trouble finding it. I named it. Oh, sometimes you have to like refresh wherever you just looked because, well, only sometimes. Or maybe I just saved it in a completely different spot. But I found it finally. I just paused the video real quick, but I found it. I saved it in a wrong folder. So you have this. You can go out of edit mode, which is hitting tab. What you're going to do is you're going to get rid of this screen because you don't really need it anymore. Well, I was lucky. Okay. And you're going to go into the logic tab, hit add, and then you're going to go up here and you're going to hit I for scale. Then you're going to go to about 10 frames ahead down here, and then you're going to scale it up a little bit. Then you're going to hit scale. Now you're going to connect all these three that you added, the controller, sensors, controllers, and actuators. Change that to a keyboard, always to keyboard. Maybe put a W. It depends if you want it to be so when you move or you run or you shoot, the crosshairs will get bigger. You're going to change motion to IPO and so it starts at 1 frame and ends at 10 frames, and you're going to change play to ping pong. I think it's ping. Is it? No, it's not. It's flipper. So I can like tap it and it won't go all the way, but it can if I hold it all the way. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go into the editing F9 and you're going to hit tab and you're going to try and find where it says texture face over here. And you're going to go down here until you find a thing that says add down here. I'm going to click that so it makes the black invisible. So now I have this, right? And that's the first way you can do it. You can also do this with like mouse keys if you have shooting. You just change the W key to move from that to a mouse. And if you want it to act on both, you can also change this and in controllers to an or, and you can hit add, always mouse, left button, or any other button, and you just click and you just put it in there. So now I can hit the mouse button and the W button and we'll do the same thing, but I can keep on clicking them and they won't go all the way down to their ground state. So that's kind of a cool thing. And then the second way is you just add 4 planes and you just kind of arrange them in something like this, a form like this, which is what you were saying Optimus Convoy, this is the video for you anyways. And pretty much what you're just going to do is you're going to do the exact same thing, except for frame 1, you're going to hit scale, or no, you're going to hit location, then you're going to go down to 10 frames, and you're going to bring it down. And for these ones, you're going to do the exact same thing, frame 1 over here, and then frame 10 way over here, and do that for the rest of them, so they do something like this, and just follow what you did for the other thing, and it should be fine. But yeah, that's how you do it, so bye.